Hello everyone, today we'll delve into the chapter Heat from grade 7. The first concept of this chapter is hot and cold. Hot and cold is nothing but temperature is a measure of hotness and coldness. We can measure temperature by using thermometer, which is of two types, clinical and laboratory thermometer. Clinical thermometer is used to measure the temperature of human body, which is normally 37 degrees Celsius, and it consists of glass tube and it's long and narrow, which is uniform, and with mercury at one end. And inside there's a scale called Celsius scale, which is indicated by the symbol degree Celsius. And its ranges are 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. Now, laboratory thermometer is used to determine the boiling point and freezing point. And its ranges are from minus 10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. The next concept is transfer of heat, which is conduction. It is a process when heat moves from one object to another object. And the heat can also transfer through direct touch. Conductors are nothing but materials which allow the heat to pass through them. And its examples are aluminium, iron, and copper. The next one is convection. It's nothing but a process where heat can transfer from one part of fluid to another part of fluid by the movement of particles of fluid. And insulators are poor conductors of heat, and its examples are plastic and rubber. The next is radiation. It represents the heat which is coming from sources like sun. The next concept is kinds of clothes in summer and winter. Wool keeps us warm in winter because wool is a poor conductor of heat. And dark colored objects absorbs more heat, and light colored objects absorb less heat, and as it's preferred in summer. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to join the Get My Mind Up community, just mail us to the ID provided in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on our latest content. See you in the community.